Myself, Dr. Ramchandra Gore from Department of Botany, Walchand College of Arts and Science, Solapur. Here I am representing trees of Balaghat ranges of Maharashtra, India. This is the map of Balaghat ranges. The Balaghat ranges are the part of vast tract of Deccan Plateau of India. It lies in the basins of river Manjra and is tributary, that is Terna, Bori, Tiru, Manyad and Lendi, etc. It occupies an area about 18,111.34 square kilometers spread over in Bid, Usmanabad, Latur and Ahmednagar districts. The climate, soil and vegetation of Balaghat ranges in generally weather in dry and moderately extreme. Temperature which is ranges between 27.7 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius with an average rainfall about 729.1 millimeter per year. The geological formation of the region corresponds to basalt rock. The granite rock have give rise to red as well as black cotton soil. The climate of the region supports the vegetation that can be conveniently divided into tropical dry deciduous forests and the open scrub jungle, vast tract of the grassland, etc. Previously, the Balaghat ranges are the form of the part of old Hyderabad state which remains separated territory up to 1956. In spite of scattered work done in Marathwada region with respect of the floristic study of Balaghat ranges by some authors in some floras or in some favorite floras like the forest flora of Hyderabad state, vegetation of ADC forest at Ramling in Maharashtra, flora of Marathwada, study of flora of Ramling, the flora of Usmanabad districts, grasslands, grasses of the Marathwada, flora of Ramling and flora of Marathwada region. This region is explored by the some authors during the work on flora of Maharashtra by Botanical Survey of India, flora of Maharashtra by M.R. Almeida and flora of Balaghat ranges of Maharashtra by Gore and Gaikwad. The botanical explorations in the political unit remains unprogressive. About 804 plant species have been previously recorded in the duration 1969 to 219. Most of the Balaghat ranges are spread in the Bid district, but there have no any authenticated floristic database which is published. This area is under the tropical dry deciduous forest and open scrub jungles. Heavy grazing is the most dominant problem. Hence, this area is time to time neglected by the taxonomists and researchers. In Balaghat ranges or in the floristic survey or in the floristic that is database, the keys which are provided for the family, genera and species. Here we have authenticated some keys for the families like in the dichotomous keys. Firstly, the characters which have been selected, these are the anthers, two-celled staminodes often present. It belongs to or it goes to family Sterculiaceae. When the anthers are one-celled and staminodes are absent, it goes to two families, that is the Bombycaceae and Malvaceae. While in Bombycaceae and Malvaceae there are differences or there are some differences. As per the leaves visited, fruits are woody follicles, then it goes to family Bombycaceae, while leaves simple, fruits capsular, then it goes to family Malvaceae. Here I have representing the family Bombycaceae or I have selected the Bombycaceae for example or the example for the Bombycaceae. There are about 3 genera in the Bombycaceae. The staminal column, entire fruits indehiscent, seeds enclosed in pulp, it goes to genus Adansonia. And while staminode column divided into 5 bundles, fruits dehiscent, seeds enclosed in the cotton fibers or the wool, then it goes to, there are 2 genera, that is the Bombyx and Siba. Stem and branches prickly, stamens many, then it goes to family, that is the genus Bombax. And seeds and branches unarmed means these are non-prickly and stamens few, usually 5, it goes to genus Siba. This is the enumeration of the 1531 flowering plants. Total number of these plants which have been reported belonging to the 710 genera spread over 128 families. Anita grade, which includes 2 species. Then monocots, which are having 351 species. Then eudicots, which are having 11, that is the, while monocotyledons having 11 species, and monoclymady, it includes 576 species from the monocots, and eudicots, which are having 518 species. These are the list. This is the list of the 10 dominant families. Mimosaceae is one of the largest family in the floristic diversity of the Balaghat ranges, while Apocynaceae is the 10th dominant family with having the 8 genera. This pie diagram showing the proportion of the dicotyledons and monocotyledons tree species. There are about the 94.61% of the dicot species, while the 5.38% of the monocot species are mostly found in the Balaghat ranges. Second pie diagram showing the proportion of the indigenous to cultivated taxa. There are about 50.76% indigenous, means wild flora, which is found into Balaghat ranges, and 49.23% of the cultivated species are mainly found in the Balaghat ranges. This is a list of 10 dominant tree genera. The trees are largely found belongs to the genus Acacia, and this species including infraspecific taxa. There are about 20 acacias are mostly dominant into the Balaghat ranges, and Gigipus, which is the smallest, or this is the 10th dominant tree genera into the Balaghat ranges. The common cultivated species are also including, in addition of the indigenous one, the proportion of the indigenous taxa. There are 132 to the cultivated ones, that is the 128, and the ratio is 1.96 as to 0.49. The high proportion of the cultivated species cannot be neglected, as it forms the major component of the urban flora in particular. This is the addition up to the flora of Marathwada or the Maharashtra state. This is one of the addition which is made for the flora of Maharashtra state. This is the Acacia concurrens, or this twig is of the Acacia concurrens. It has largely 3-angled branches, spike, axillary and paired flowers, pentamerous, pods. These are the linear, coiled up to 6 cm long. This is the list of the some endemic plant species which are mostly found into the Balaghat ranges: Aloesycarpus pubescens, Aloesycarpus luteovigilatus, etc. and etc. These are some outcomes from the during the floristic survey of the Balaghat ranges. We have to publish the Crinum solaporens, a new species from Maharashtra region, in Q Bulletin in 214 or the 2014. This is the second most species, that is the Curculago janardhanami, which is also new species from the Maharashtra region or the Maharashtra. Then it is published into the Phytotaxa or journal Phytotaxa. This is Vigna pandiana. It having the clistogamous and chasmogamous flowers, which are mostly not seen into the other genera or other species of the family Fabaceae. The Vigna pandiana, a new species from northern western Ghats of the India, and it is published in the Biodiversity Data Journal in 2015. This is also another most important species, that is Vigna yadvi, a new species from western Ghats of India. It is having, or it is also having the both two types of the flower, that is the chasmogamous and clistogamous flowers, but there are the seeds which are mostly matured into the both pods, which are chasmogamous or the clistogamous, which are the underground or which are aerial. This is one book which is published, The Tree Flora of Balaghat Ranges of Maharashtra, in 2015 by S.P. Gaikwad and R.D. Gore, and the second, that is the checklist of the tree flora of Balaghat Ranges of Maharashtra, India, which is published into the journal checklist in 2014. These are some selected references which are selected or which are mainly choose for the compilation or for the during compilation the list during the floristic survey of Balaghat Ranges of Maharashtra. Thank you.